Fucking useless camera. Let's see how close we can get before. Oh, why are you doing that? Sorry about the filming, people. There he is. Got pretty close. Fuck off with that shit. Pretty close this morning. How's that, eh? He's not worried about me at all today. Nice one. Come on, come on. Don't take off. There's the other one just in the background there. He's a bit hard to see. This one's not too fast. Hey, mate. There's the other one. How good's that? Hey, buddy. Hey, enjoy it. That is absolutely awesome. See, he's not too fussed about me this morning, is he? What's with this camera? Jeez. Hey, mate.